I am Gitanshi.
We are here to present a skit on the effects of COVID on the life of children and create awareness on the importance of vaccination.
Our school has taught us to have a positive approach in every good and difficult time. The same approach we have for this deadly coronavirus as well.
Please watch this beautiful performance by our friends.
This is a scene of Chirayu's house. There are 3 members in his family. His father, a private employer, his mother, a corona warrior, and Chirayu himself, a student.
My dear brothers and sisters, as we all know, the COVID cases are increasing day by day. That's why there will be a Janta curfew on 22nd of March. Stay home, stay safe.
Meanwhile, situation in India.
Ha 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 ha. I am King COVID. I can conquer the whole world just by traveling in air. I am dangerous. I will kill everyone.
I am unstoppable. I will rule this world. I am immortal.
Ha 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 ha. Let's attack. Ha 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 ha.
Modi ji is on TV once again with his new announcement.
My dear brothers and sisters, as the COVID cases are increasing day by day, that's why there will be a total lockdown for 40 days. All the shops, school, colleges will be closed. Stay home, stay safe.
The lockdown extended. Chirayu's father started work from home. As mother is a corona warrior, she can't come home for a few days. Schools have started new online classes.
Start your cameras and keep your videos on. Mute yourself.
Sir, you are not audible properly.
Okay, let me check it out.
Sir, your voice is breaking up.
Now am I audible?
Sir, my charging is low. Can I leave the class?
Yes, you can.
Sir, somebody has joined with your name.
Okay, let me remove him.
Sir, I have network issue. What did you teach? Please explain one more time.
And it continues. So there were lots of problems faced by both teachers and students. Chirayu's mother returned from hospital after 15 days of a service.
Mama, I am so happy to see you. I have so many things to share with you. Our school has started online classes. Dad is busy in his work. I don't understand anything during online classes. There is nobody to help me. I am all alone. My eyes start burning after some time and severe headaches after the classes. I am not liking anything. I am missing my school, my friends and all the fun.
Don't worry dear, everything will be fine. But once vaccine is invented, scientists from all over the world are putting their best efforts. It will be available in very short time. Just have some patience.
Finally, vaccines are invented.
I am the solution for every deadly virus. I am born in India. I am best. Let me introduce you, my friends. Mask and sanitizer.
Wear me to protect yourself and others. Use me to stay clean and disinfected.
Only we have the power to save the people from the deadly virus. We all are in this together.
Free vaccine camp started in India. Let's go back to Chirayu's house.
Hey, I got both doses of vaccine. Now, I am very confident and very safe. I want you also to get vaccinated.
No need. I work from home and go out rarely, so I don't find a need of vaccination. Also, I follow all the COVID protocols.
You know, I've been on duty for well-being of our people. Even then you are showing me negligence. Please be responsible.
You are correct. I am sorry. I will get vaccinated tomorrow itself.
Most of the people get vaccinated. As a result, life started getting normal and schools reopened.
Ha 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 ha. Let's attack. Who are you?
I am mask. I am sanitizer.
I am vaccine.
Oh no.
We will not allow you to do so. Ha 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 ha. We all are together. You can't harm anymore. Ha 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 ha.
How can you even think of when we are here? Ha 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 ha. Finally, we could help people to live safely.
Some parents, being hesitant, are not sending their children to school, so the teacher is managing both online and offline students.
Don't make noise, students. Online students can't hear me properly.
Sir, what's the meaning of this word?
Sir, can I start reading?
Sir, may I know which line are you teaching?
Sir, which page number?
Please mute yourself and speak one by one.
Teachers are still facing problems in the class. Now at Chirayu's house, after his first day of offline class. Even after going to school, Chirayu was not happy as his friends were not attending school. So his mother suggests him to speak to his friends and convince them.
As Rohit's parents were not ready to send him to school, Chirayu's father decided to convince him.
Hello sir, Chirayu's father here.
Yes, sir. How are you? Heard Chiraya is attending offline school? Please be careful. Don't send the child until they are vaccinated.
No sir, you don't get me wrong. Actually, going to school is safe. All teaching and non-teaching staff are fully vaccinated. Only important thing is to teach the child to follow the protocols.
But sir, they are children. How will they follow the protocols all the time?
Sir, if we see, we are taking children everywhere, from restaurants to temples, also outstations. So why not school? Also, how long can we restrict them? As a parent, I feel it's our primary responsibility to encourage them and teach them to be cautious.
That is true, sir. Thanks for your words. I will send Rohit from tomorrow.
The chain of convincing and spreading awareness continues, and day by day strength increases in the school. Students enjoy many activities like games, competitions and many more. Life is slowly back to normal.
With this small skit, we would like to give you the message that coming to school is safe. We only need to follow the COVID protocols that we are following everywhere else. Thanks for watching.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy.